Okay, so it's been today's Tuesday evening. You can see the time over here. So the thing is, Monday I did not do any work. Monday was very hectic for me. So yeah, today Tuesday, what I did is again a little bit of CSS. And today what I've realized is I need to take notes, like even on like digitally notes in some form or the other, even if there's some PDF online. I need to, keep it somewhere, stored somewhere so that I can review it over time and revise, right? So that I don't forget information. Because currently, whatever course I'm doing, I'm just going through the information, doing the task, and passing it. That's all. But I'm not retaining any information currently. So, what that has made me realize is I need notes at the end of the day. So, notes and more what time while studying, more carefully, more detailedly, more attentively. So yeah, CSS I want to complete it and move to JavaScript since everybody's talking about JS, 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 JS. I mean, at least in my world they are. I don't know if at your stage they are, but at my current stage, JS is very hyped up. And after JS, who knows what is gonna come. So yeah, I'll also need to do some DSA. Tomorrow's Wednesday and we have Code Chef's contest from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. I believe. 10 p.m. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow at the after the contest maybe. So yeah, see you guys. Thing is on. Yeah, so today it's a Wednesday evening. I mean, right now it's Wednesday. Today it's Wednesday and currently it's night 9/7. So yeah, today what I worked on was I did like two problems on Code Chef, these two, and yeah, uh, I've also done a little bit of like digital work on it, and yeah, that worked. And coming to development part, have started like JavaScript and now completed this. It was pretty easy. Uh, Considering the fact that I know already Java, Python, and C. So variables, conditionals, loops, it's gonna be easier for a person like me to understand is what I'm hoping. So let's see where that hope ends me to. And yeah, but if you come to CSS, I haven't completed CSS yet because this what layout part, bro. It is such a lag. It's like literally in One Piece, this is literally like the Skype arc. Not gonna lie, it's just so boring and things that I've never heard before. So all that new information coming in, it's like taking time to process. So I'm gonna need, some deep focus with that. Along with, I think I'm gonna have to look at some YouTube videos on how to study. Like I've seen this video called the Pacer framework a while back. So I think I really need to, implement what that person had taught. And also today and tomorrow I will not be in town. Thursday, Friday I will not be in town. I'm going out, so I need to pack my things right now. So Yeah, so I'll guess I'll just record on Saturday and Sunday and upload it again as usual. So if there's 2 days missing, there are 2 days missing. So Tuesday, today's Wednesday, then Saturday and Sunday. That's like what, 3 days missing: Monday, Thursday, and Friday. Damn. Okay. Well, it is what it is. I'll see you guys on Saturday. Okay, so I'm back from wherever I went to my village, and today it's Saturday. Saturday it's 10:40 right now, and today I came around 12:30 to my home, and after coming I took bath. After all my lunch and all that, uh, I did a little bit of JavaScript, and also I was looking for ways to improve my communication because I'm not interacting with a bunch of people, and also have attended like 2 interviews in my college. The first one went really well, or I am thinking it went well. Second one, it didn't really go as much as I actually embarrassed myself, to be completely honest. Did not go well at all. Did not prepare. I didn't know what to speak. So I just spewed some random things in the interview. Now I have this, you know, uh, thing about interviews that if I go, it's gonna be a little bit bad. So I wanna change that reputation. But yeah, I was looking for ways to improve my communication. I looked on a few courses today, a little bit on YouTube and a little bit on some other platform as well. And yeah, I just want to show you something. Yeah, JavaScript a little bit, the variables and conditionals may thoda hua. And yeah, that's about it for today. I could have done much more, but uh, little progress is better than no progress. I need to, you know, step it up, but yeah, at least I'm making a little bit of progress, and that is yeah, whatever it's there in the Atomic Habits. 1% every day is still better than that's not what he said, but 1% every single day improvement, compounds over time. And let's see if it's true. If it's true, then this channel will act as a foundation or some hope for students coming into the stream or whoever sees my videos. Yeah, I'm gonna end this clip right here and see you guys tomorrow. Hello. Okay. Well, today it's Sunday and I need to edit and upload the video very soon. So yeah, today what I did was I did a little bit of DSA in the morning and then afterwards JavaScript. So yeah, progress has been a little bit slower than usual. And how long am I gonna keep telling myself that I need to work on it, need to work on it? Yeah, well, okay. uh, let's hope I get into motion in the coming week instead of just telling that I couldn't get work done as much as I wanted to. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. And also, yeah, I noticed that me recording this video is forcing me to speak on spot. So it's a way of improving my communication as well. So yeah, then I end it here and see you guys in the next week.